Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify "can't play this right now" error. If you're trying to play your content on your Spotify app, but you're not being able to do that, and it shows an error that says "can't play this right now," then watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another update from us. To fix Spotify "can't play this right now" issue, the first thing to do is to restart your application. From your Spotify app homepage, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner and scroll all the way down. Tap on log out and log out of your Spotify application. Now, once you log out of your app, update your Spotify application or simply check if your Spotify application is outdated. Tap open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top. Type in Spotify in the search box and search. If your application is outdated, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the app. If you see an open button, it means you've already updated to your latest version of Spotify application. Once you update to the latest version, simply tap open the app, log into your account, and see if that fixed your issue. When you update an application, the bug that is affecting your application at the moment will disappear as soon as you download and update your Spotify to the latest version. Once you have the latest version, go and try playing a song and see if that fixes your issue. The next thing to do if it doesn't work out is to check if you've run out of space on a mobile device or your computer. If you use the offline listening mode on your Spotify application, then you must know that Spotify recommends having at least 1 GB of space for Spotify downloads. If you've run out of storage space on your mobile device, then that might be the main cause why you are not being able to play songs on your Spotify app. So in order to fix that, simply go and find Spotify app from the app drawer and press hold to it. Tap on App Info from the expanded menu. From the App Info page, tap Storage and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right. After deleting your cache data from your app, simply go and tap open Spotify app and see if that fixes the problem. Another solution to the problem is simply by disabling crossfading. Crossfading is one of the handy Spotify feature that provides a smooth transition between songs. However, it might also cause issues with your playback. So you can easily disable your crossfading by opening up the gear button from your main homepage located at the top right hand corner. From the settings menu, scroll down and under playback, you should see an option that says crossfade. Make sure that you've disabled the crossfade by sliding the green line towards the left hand side. Once you've turned off crossfade, you might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to play any kind of a music or a podcast on your Spotify app. That way, you'll be able to fix your Spotify "can't play this right now" issue using Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.